My name is Peter Bruninger, and I'm here with John Pravel with Luxman USA. John, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
We're here at the New York Audio Show. And what do you have in this system?
We're featuring this year a little bit of a retro concept in honor of the introduction back in 1976 in New York City of a couple of key Luxman models, the CL35 Mark III vacuum tube preamplifier and the original MB3045 triode mono power amplifier. Mm-hmm. So 43 years later, we made a decision to come to New York and do something fun, show our current models that reprise those earlier examples. Here on demo is the MQ88UC KT88 tube based vacuum tube power amplifier running triode. Mm-hmm. We have this amplifier in a mono configuration here. Normally this is a stereo amplifier, but can be connected for mono operation. So we have two of these amplifiers, one for each channel, being driven by, again, the modern equivalent of that heritage model. This is the CL38 UC vacuum tube preamplifier, which is being fed signals from a Luxman PD171A turntable and or our vacuum tube switchable front end D380 CD player. So it's an all vacuum tube analog system.
And everything with the retro look on it. That's really cool, man. It's totally cool. Yeah.
Yes, and you'll notice on one of the amplifiers we have the tube cage in place, which is supplied with each amplifier.
Right.
And if you look carefully, this tube cage and the style, the industrial design of this amplifier, again, pays homage to the previous model that was introduced 43 years ago. Mm-hmm. So completely up to date, latest models from Luxman, but with a little bit of a retro twist.
Yeah, really stunning.
And the sound is quite good.
Good. We'll hear that in a moment. And what model speaker do we have here?
This is our partner at this show is a Triangle loudspeaker, and this is one of their more premium models.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Quatro.
It's a Quatro Magellan, and a very nice finish.
Yeah, they're known for their finishes, and they're also known for very good sound.
Yeah, our cabling, just so you know, the cabling that we're using here for all of the interconnects, loudspeakers, and power cables is by a company called Nordost.
Okay.
Also known as, it's a specialist manufacturer.
Yep, the viewers know Nordost well.
Yeah.
Well, let's play some Dead Can Dance, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's cue that up.
We are the stars which sing. We sing with our light. We are the birds of fire. We fly over the sky. Our light is a voice. We make a road for the spirit to pass over. For the spirit to pass over. are like the wind, wrapped in luminous wings. We make a road for the spirit to pass over, for the spirit to pass over.
that's stunningly realistic. Of course, we play that track in many, many rooms at the audio shows, and this is a small room at the New York Audio Show. And as soon as the bass line came in the beginning of that track, I knew we had a very, very special system here. Triangle speakers are known for their musicality, along with ample amounts of detail. They never will shave your ears off. They just bring a ton of music to the equation. Teaming up with Luxman, and they've been doing that for the past several years at shows, it's a match made in heaven. I love this retro Luxman equipment. I mean, this is just floating my boat. I mean, look at these beautiful amplifiers. My gosh, it's just spectacular. The sound is detailed yet very, very musical, very spacious. The sound staging was extraordinarily wide. The shakers on the left and the right were outside of the boundaries of the room itself. So this is a combination and companies that you guys all should take a look at. Again, thank you very much for your hospitality here at the New York Audio Show. Great sound, just super sound today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for having us in the room.